Do you want to master the art of public speaking? Does the thought of standing on a stage make your palms sweat? Let's face it, the ability to articulate your thoughts effectively is a powerful tool in the professional world. It's a common misconception that public speaking is an innate talent. The truth is, it's a skill that many of us struggle with. But fear not, this fear is common and can be overcome. Public speaking is an art that can be mastered with practice, patience, and the right strategies. Now, imagine yourself on stage, confident and captivating the audience with your words. To transform this vision into reality, let's delve into 5 practical and actionable strategies that can elevate your public speaking skills. Firstly, understand your audience. Knowing who you're speaking to can shape your message and delivery. Research their interests, their background, and their expectations. This will help you tailor your speech to resonate with them. Secondly, organize your speech. A coherent narrative keeps your audience engaged and helps them follow your train of thought. Start with a hook to grab their attention, then present your main points, and finally, wrap up with a compelling conclusion. Thirdly, practice makes perfect. Rehearse your speech multiple times in front of a mirror, a friend, or even a recording device. This not only helps you remember your speech, but also allows you to refine your delivery. Fourthly, use body language effectively. Your gestures, facial expressions, and posture can speak volumes. They can reinforce your words, create emphasis, and engage the audience. Finally, handle your nervousness. It's natural to feel butterflies in your stomach, but don't let them take over. Deep breathing exercises, positive visualization, and self-affirmations can help manage anxiety and boost your confidence. Remember, the key to mastering public speaking is to believe in yourself and your message. So take these strategies to heart and watch yourself transform into a dynamic and persuasive public speaker. Let's quickly recap the strategies we've discussed for mastering the art of public speaking. First and foremost, understanding your audience is key. By knowing who you're speaking to, you can tailor your message to resonate with them. Secondly, organizing your speech is vital. A well-structured presentation not only ensures your message is clear, but also helps keep your audience engaged. Next, we emphasize the importance of practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you rehearse, the more comfortable you'll feel when it's showtime. We also discuss the power of body language. Effective use of gestures and facial expressions can significantly enhance your delivery. Lastly, we touched on handling nervousness. It's okay to be nervous. The trick is to harness that energy and turn it into passion and enthusiasm for your topic. With these strategies in hand, you're well on your way to becoming a masterful public speaker. Practice persistently, and you'll see the results.